So continuing on our example on electric vehicles registration over the time and trying to make some kind of a line chart of it, what we can do is I will just create a new sheet, um, and in here go to the vehicles registration data set, bring in the first time registration in New Zealand, and this one is an yearly basis, but I can bring my count as well, so it will show me the vehicle's registration over the time. On a yearly basis there's a dip because it's only for 2020, it's only 1 month of data, that's why. I can convert this yearly data into a monthly one, and here you go, you can see the monthly data. Vehicle registration, there was a dip, huge dip in April 2020, and then it was a recovery, and then it's going on. um, After that we just wanted to see on the for the electric vehicles, so what I can do is to bring this motive power into my filters and then select only the electric vehicles from this filter option. There you go, and you can click OK. You can just select any electric, or you can just select different types in here related to electric vehicles, and there you go. So we have this kind of a chart. The highest of peak it was in September 2021. That's interesting. And currently for January 2022 it has been 745 vehicles registered. It's quite a busy period looking in here for the electric vehicles. I can change this month on month or monthly data set into a running total by just simply clicking on the triangle, opening the menu, and convert into a running total. And there you go, there's a running total. Since for the last 10 years there have been 31,180 cars being registered, or vehicles being registered, electric vehicles registered in New Zealand. So I can convert into that one. I can also see this kind of the registration trend by TLS. So just drag this one into our color, and here you go, that is for all of the areas a running total. Auckland is always the highest one, so I'll just remove Auckland from here and see what are the other areas looking like. So yeah, Christchurch, Wellington City, Dunedin City. So you can see different different areas in here. So yep, that was a bit of a sidetrack question. It wasn't listed into our list of questions, but you can see how you can develop your charts and visualize it. We can also see the different kind of makes of electric vehicles, and their models as well. So there's a huge amount of data sitting in here. It is a very detailed one. You can make use of it in any way you want. For the last question for today's session, we want to see what are the top 3 vehicles usage for your district and city. So vehicle usage is what we are after in our last question. Vehicle registration usage is in here. What we'll do, we'll just create a new sheet, and for our TLA we were looking for lower Hutt Valley. So I'll bring my TLA into rows, just a quick filtering in here, drag it down, and yeah, lower Hutt City, I'll just keep only this one, and then I'll bring my vehicle usage in rows, so there are different kind of a usage, and then I'll bring extract count, drag in here, drop it in here, so we can see different kind of things, and sort it to high to low. So the highest one is for passenger private vehicles, 51,000, then other goods 4,400, other 818, and then for the rest of them. I can do my totals as well. Bring the totals, column total, and they go for 58,000 vehicles registered over the time. That is over the time for the last 10 years. So 58,000 have been registered in Lower Hutt City for this kind of different vehicle usage. I can also bring vehicle type in here as well and see different kind of things. There you go, private passenger, and then we have different kind of things. Can do some kind of a sorting as well. There you go, different things. It's pretty interesting. So yeah, that is more or less the things for today's session. You can always save this file by hitting on this publish button. So click on that one, give the name to this dashboard, and it will just save in your profile. So you can also, if you want to access this thing, this dashboard, you can access to my profile and at Tableau Public, and you can see the things from there as well. Perfect one. So there's a thing for today's this week's session. Feel free to send me your feedback or any kind of a question via LinkedIn or Facebook, or drop me an email, drop me a line in any way, and we can just discuss it further. Perfect one. See you next time then. Thanks a lot. Bye.